Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Monday, February the 1st, 2021. Sudoku with 1 star we have, 2 stars we have, 3 stars we have, and 4 stars we have. Also a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star, binary puzzle number 1, a binary puzzle and number 2. Alright. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. I've told you only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the Sudoku with 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. Alright. So the first one will be a 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 2256. 2256. This is a 2. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've already counted. The 1 star is 27, the 2 stars 26, the 3 stars is 25, and the 4 stars, this one, is 24. Alright. So let's get started. Alright. We see here 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then. Let me see. Alright. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there, 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Two. Alright. How about the 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row, so the row above, only place for the 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about this column? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only place for a 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. 3, 4, 5. Alright. We have here in the first row 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. You see there 5, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Now this big square. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 in the second column could be here or could be there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 8. Alright. How about 2? 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 4 and 6. 8, 2, and 3 are missing in this big square. The 8, the 2, and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 boxes left, the 8 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and the 3. Alright, so those 3 missing numbers in the first row are the numbers 4, 6, and the 9. 4, 6, 9. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. You see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 8 and 4. Same like here. 8 and 4. We have a pair. 8 and 4. This is 8 and 4. 8 and 4. That means we have a pair here. The other pair in this row should be the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. So we have 3 missing numbers in the first row. The 4, the 9, and the 6. 4, 9, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 here. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and the 6 goes in and those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the first row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 9. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Alright. Let me see. 5. Okay. 8, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. We see here 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. So the 3 and the 8 are left now. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 5. And I've marked those 2 boxes with the 5. So this can't be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. Yeah. 3 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me wait for a minute. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 4, 4, 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 7. 3, 4, 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Then 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. And this should be the 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright. Now we have a 3 there. So this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. This should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this can be 4 anymore. This should be an 8. And this box in this column should be the 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be the 6. 2 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 Stars Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.